First, we need eggs and Nutella. Second, we need cinnamon and vanilla. Next, grab milk, butter, peanut butter and bread. We need fork, knife, spatula, frying pan, bowl or ingredient, and a plate. Next, we'll crack 1 egg, 2 eggs, and then 3 eggs. Next, pour the almond milk into the bowl of eggs. Whisk the eggs until it's a consistent colour. Next, turn the stove on and get some butter and put it in the frying pan. Next, put some cinnamon and vanilla into the bowl and stir it. Next, spread the butter around the pan until it sizzles. Next, pour the batter into the plate. Then, gently put the bread on and stir it around on both sides, not like I did. Next, pick up the plate with it on and put it into the frying pan gently, not like I did where I used it. Next, after a little bit, flip the side over and then let the other side cook. Then, once the other side is cooked, put it on the spatula and put it on the plate and do that a couple more times. Next, add the peanut butter and Nutella. Hope it looks like this. Enjoy!